Okay. Hey, I'm gonna catch a fly for my turtles. There's one. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, wait, that's outside. Gonna catch it by getting my hands on a fly, which I'm not too good at. Let's see. There's one. Lost it. Ooh, there's a big juicy one. Okay, we're just gonna pinch its head. So it's dead pretty much. So we can just take it over here and feed it to my turtles. I'm just gonna drop it down in here. There it is. Let's see who goes for it. If anybody sees it. Oh, one's going for it. Oh. Oh. Oh, here comes a little bit. Here comes a little bit. He's going for it. He's taking it under. Oh, didn't get it. Did you get it? Well, that's my turtle eating a fly.